Pinecone extension for GitHub Copilot provides you with natural language, personalized recommendations at your fingertips, whether you need Pinecone product information, coding assistance, or troubleshooting an error. Now you can have that help right from GitHub Copilot chat. Let's see a quick demo of the Pinecone extension providing product information. To invoke the Pinecone extension, type @PineconeAI from the Copilot chat interface and type your question. For example, what is a serverless index? It explains that an index is the highest level organizational unit of vector data in Pinecone to store and retrieve the vectors at scale. It also publishes the source for this information for your reference. The Pinecone extension can also provide coding assistance. Let's ask it to provide a code sample to create a serverless index using Python. And you can copy the code to help build your applications. Let's tweak the suggestion to use the previously defined Pinecone API key and leave the remaining details the same. There we go. With the Pinecone extension for GitHub Copilot, you can code faster, get richer insights, and build better outcomes.